I made this rack gear, and it's supposed to be for the car that I'm making with the dynamic steering. So this rack gear, once I got it made, I realized that it's kind of big. It's half an inch. It's a 5/8 inch thickness. So then I remade the thing 3/4 the size, which was the smaller ones. So of course these two will turn around and match up each other. So unlike a regular car with a rack and pinion steering, it's only got to go one way. But with my 3 dynamic steering dimensions, you got to have to work both ways, just like that. So I made these different pinions, and they're all different sizes, but none of them really worked, and this one actually works the best. So I'm gonna probably stay with that. It doesn't work as smooth as I'd like, but it does the job.